Are you looking forward to update Claude AI app on your iPhone? Then you're on the right video. It's pretty simple and a quick process, so without any further delay, let's get started. The very first thing you want to do is head over to the App Store on your device. Once you're inside the App Store, in the address bar you need to search for Claude AI. And then move into this app right here. Here, instead of open, if you see the option of update, then all you gotta do is tap on update and update the application to a latest version. It's that simple. Still, there's another way on how you can. You simply need to go back and head over to your home page. Tap on your profile. Scroll all the way down and you'll see the application that has not been updated. If you find the application Claude AI, then simply click on update and update the app. So that's the end of the video. If this video really helped you, give it a like and check out our next tutorial. Thank you.